Hello guys, welcome back to Finan-Tech. I know you're very much interested to invest in stock market but don't know how to analyze stocks. So I want to make few series on fundamentals in stock market. So today we'll be talking about one of the fundamental series, PE ratio. Let's get started. Ratio is one of the most used term in the stock market. P ratio is mostly used for the people who buy shares depending on fundamentals. P ratio means price to earnings ratio. When you want to invest in stock market, comparing companies in some sectors, this P ratio is used. The most used metric by investors is P ratio. We can compare the shares of two or more companies and choose the correct company to invest. The formula used to calculate the P ratio is current market price of the share by earnings per share. Firstly, let us know about earnings per share. It means the net income of the company by number of outstanding shares issued. The information about net income of company and number of outstanding shares issued can be found in company's balance sheet or company's website. Now we will discuss about P ratio. If current market price of the share is 1000 and earnings per share is 100, then the P ratio will be 10. P ratio is all about how many times investor invest in the company than the profit of the company. From the above example, we can conclude that if the company earns a rupee, the money invested by investors is 10 times than the money earned by the company. Now let us consider two companies A and B and let the P ratio of company A is 10 and company B is 20. The P ratio of A is undervalued whereas the company B is overvalued. So the companies which have high P ratio are risky. These companies can crash anytime. So many investors choose the companies which have low P ratio, and that doesn't mean all companies which have low P ratio perform good. Even though the company has low P ratio, sometimes they may not give good results and the company management may not be good. So be aware of those companies. This is why you should not depend on P ratio as the only option to invest. Hope you grasp this term P ratio. If you want to know more about stock market, subscribe to Finan-Tech. See you in the next video.